Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Kathleen Reddington with your hedge fund headlines. Today is a Wednesday, January 7, 2009. Following failed talks with Blackstone, Daiwa Securities Group will end its plans for a large private equity fund. According to Reuters, Daiwa had been in talks with private equity firm Blackstone Group to form a fund targeting Asian companies. The brokerage was aiming for a 500 billion yen fund to diversify its revenue sources. Staying with hedge fund news, Pellegrini, the former Italian banker, is leaving his longtime partner and friend John Paulson to launch his own hedge fund. According to the Wall Street Journal, Pellegrini had a pivotal role to play in implementing bets against subprime mortgages, which secured about $15 billion for Paulson in 2007. Pellegrini was the co-portfolio manager of the two Paulson Credit Opportunities funds along with Paulson. And in more hedge fund news, Daiwa Capital, a UK-based firm, is planning to buy back a section of its shares in two of its fund of funds. According to Financial News, the move is in line with existing proposals to buy back up to £150 million, or 13% of the shares in its flagship Daiwa Absolute Fund, to reduce the 27.1% discount to its net asset value in February 2009. Daiwa had indicated last year that its discounts affected some of its products, which could result in their windup. And in other hedge fund news, Helsinki-based hedge fund Ilnitar is going to close. According to Bloomberg News, which invested in East European equity markets, particularly Russia, dropped 74% through November 2008. It has less than $9 million in assets remaining, down from about $40 million. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our hedge fund channel online, read the full stories and the latest developments.